Hey, it's Aran here. In this YouTube video, I'm going to talk to you about replacing your software subscriptions with vibe coded tools. So, if you are working in the online space, you probably know you need various software tools to run your business. You need to buy a domain name, you need hosting for your website, you need hosting for your professional email address, you need to be able to do email marketing, you need to maybe host landing pages or payment integrations or affiliate program or design software or video editing software and all these types of things. Now, I actually have probably dozens and dozens of tools that I actually use on a monthly basis for various different use cases. And I have an entire playlist on my YouTube channel with probably 50 plus software tools that I have reviewed that I personally use and love in my business. However, this particular playlist and tutorials and training videos and so on were recorded probably about a year, 2 years ago now, give or take. And in reality, the world of AI has changed a lot of things now because we've vibe coding, which if you don't know what is vibe coding, check the link in the description or go to aran.link/vibe coding. If you don't know what that is, it's simply to create tools, websites, apps, and so on through simple conversations. Just like you are texting on your phone to your mom or your friend or whatever, you can text and say some task or request or question or whatever. The AI, but you have that conversation with simple English, it will actually build things for you. You don't need to understand any of the coding languages, JavaScript, CSS, HTML. I'm not a developer, I'm not a coder, but as a vibe coder, I can have plain English conversations and build apps, which is what I've been doing in the last 6 to 12 months, give or take. And I've been building different tools to replace software tools that I previously paid a subscription. So in this video, I'm going to tell you some tools that you can replace easily, some that may not, and just give you a little bit of taste about things. I can really make this video really long actually, but I'm just going to make this really quick and show you very good use cases on things that I can and have vibe coded to replace different software subscriptions that are costing me in my business, or software tools that I prefer not to use, and therefore I don't need to use them because I have vibe coded the solutions. So let me share my screen and show you a couple of those. So the first one I want to show you is a survey software or a quiz software. So a popular one is actually called Typeform, and this is an example of a Typeform. So somebody could click on take the quiz, and then you will see questions. Somebody could choose the answers and go through step by step like so. You will see the branding powered by Typeform. And this particular software, I know from this specific client that I'm actually working with, they're paying $40 a month for the Typeform software to be able to use it. And so this is the price for the basic plan. Now I have created my own version of a Typeform. I have this quiz blog, and I'm going to link it in the description for you to check it out. You can learn all about quizzes and quiz funnels, and I have different use cases. And when they get to the end, I actually have a Typeform style quiz blog or quiz funnel, basically. So I'm just going to do like a little test so you can see. And I'm going to click on first name, last name. I'll put an email address, and then I'm going to put a little bit of info. Now you will see when I try to progress, it will say, give me more characters, because I vibe coded it and said to the app that I want to have a limited number of characters. You will see it also going through the 30%, and then it continues to answer the questions. And you can see it's very, very custom as well. So now I'm going to keep on pasting information here. And I want you to pay attention right here. We're at question 5 out of 10 and 50%. And okay, let me just do a little bit more info. Okay, there you go. You see halfway there, keep going. So I've added some elements in the Typeform, which are just kind of unique, just to make it a little bit more interesting. And you will see I'm just going to keep on adding things. Yes, if I have a website, they add a link. No, it asks them a different question. Would you like help with it? Yes. Now, when they say yes, specifically for this section, I vibe coded it. So when somebody submits this particular form, what happens is they get tagged in System.io, my software that I use for my funnels, landing pages, and all that, and my email marketing. They get tagged as wanting help with their website and sending them an email follow up to say, hey, I saw that you need help with the website. Give me some more details. That way I can turn that into a potential client. When they click on next, and I give them a motion to choose a few things, and then any other information, and then let's do submit. Now, this entire process would have cost me $40 a month to create this. And I vibe coded this entire thing, I don't know, maybe 20 minutes, maybe half an hour, give or take. Probably cost me $10 to actually create this whole thing. Then I've got this thank you for the answers. I'll review them, a little screenshot of what it's going to look like. And also, I customize the answer. So, in case they said they need help with the website, they see this pop up. If they didn't, then they wouldn't actually see this. The thank you page will look totally different. And then when somebody clicks on this or this, it takes to the next funnel that I have set up. And this whole experience was literally created in maybe half an hour. So that's an example of a tool you can easily replace with vibe coding. And you really don't need to pay $40 a month for a quiz software like this. If you want to learn more about that, of course, I'm going to give you the link in the description. You can check it out. And this is the website where I'm going to teach all about that. So the next tool I'm going to show you is a software called Elfsight. Now, Elfsight, as you can see, I've been a paying customer since April 2022. And I've paid in total so far to this company about $815 US dollars to this company over the last few years. And the next billing is $327.27. And that's going to be due on the 26th of September, which I am going to cancel because I do not need them anymore. And you will see also why. So, this is first of all, I'm going to show you the problem. The problem is I have different sales pages that I have, like this one for my email marketing ebook. And you could see that at the bottom, I have this thing right here, which says, see what others say about Iran. Now, you will notice that there's nothing here. It's blank. Why is it blank? It's not blank because I don't have testimonials. In fact, I have hundreds of not hundreds. I have over 100 testimonials. Now, I used Elfsight to be able to collect my reviews from Facebook and automatically populate them inside my sales pages. But what happened this month, and this is the first month it actually happened, what happened is I reached my limit of quota. Now we are now on the 23rd of June when I'm recording this, and I have 7 days before I can actually have the widget continue to work because I've arrived at the limit where I have received over 50,000 page views to my various sales pages and order forms and all that stuff, which is a great problem to have. It's wonderful, but then now I have to upgrade in order to continue displaying them. So what did I do? I went to my trusted AI tool and I vibe coded a replacement. And this is what it now looks like. So I have now vibe coded tool. I have all my testimonials displaying. If somebody clicks on click show more and all that stuff, and I can customize these reviews so then I do not have to worry about that. Now, I did not replace the widget on this sales page because I want to show you the problem with this particular software that it's now causing me. And now I have officially replaced it with a vibe coded tool, which works absolutely fantastic. The reviews looks great. When you click on read more, it's still visible. When you see it on mobile, it looks great. And this whole color and font, all of that is completely customizable inside the app as well. The last example of a software tool that I did not subscribe to and instead vibe coded the tool myself is you can see this particular sales page for my AI and vibe coding membership. And you could see this thing right here. Fred became a member, 23 people viewing this page. And then as you scroll through and go through this page, etc., you're going to see that this particular notification is going to keep on coming up every little bit, basically. Now, this particular software, see another one, Darlene became a member, 23 people viewing the site. Now, this particular little widget is actually vibe coded. Now, in the past, you needed a different software called UseProof or some other tools. There's different tools that does that. Also, Elfsight actually does that. But a lot of times, the information in those tools are actually fake. But that's a different story. See, another one, Sherry became a member. Amazing. Now, here's the point. With this particular software, what I did is, because everything is vibe coded inside here, then the information is actually accurate. So I vibe coded on the back end that when people become buyers and members, the information basically populates, and the info about people viewing the site and all that is actually current and up to date. And you can also see that you can see these numbers that are tracking, like right now we're at 150 people. This particular number is actually not made up. It is literally an accurate number in real time, depending on how many members there are. And so this basically is going to increase every time you load this page, or decrease depending on member cancellations and so on. And so this particular vibe coded tool probably took me maybe 5 minutes. I just did a couple of prompts, told the AI what I want. We brainstormed the process, what information it's going to pull, all that stuff. And then you could see that this thing is just automated completely, and I don't have to worry about it. I don't have to pay a subscription. It's already done. It doesn't cost me any extra than the actual hosting of this page anyway. So that's another amazing use case for replacing a subscription with a vibe coded tool. If you have a specific tool you are wondering as to whether it can be vibe coded with ease or not, or what is the level of complexity, and you want to consult me on it, leave a comment below with your question or the name of the tool, and I'll be sure to either record another video or reply in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. And if you found this video helpful, please share it with a friend as well, like and subscribe to this channel. Now, one thing that I should note is this particular video that I'm recording right now, for example, I'm actually recording it using a software tool called Tela TV. And I love this tool. This is not a tool that I will even bother to try and vibe code, because I'm paying so little for it, 20 bucks a month, give or take. And the value that I'm getting from it is so massive, because I can record a video, I can trim it, I can create the zoom effect, which you may have seen in the video. You saw the bubble on the left, and then you could see me on the right. All of that is native features inside Tela TV. Also, you see the captions below. All of that is created on Tela. And there's other features that I just haven't even explored or haven't even bothered using for this particular video. Yes, I can absolutely have a video editor, customize it further, and I do have a video editor. But since I'm doing this challenge to record like one video every single day, I'm literally gonna post it as it is. But I was able with Tela TV, and I'm literally using a timer to see how long it takes to do this entire process. This entire video took me a total of 40 minutes to create the thumbnail and record a video and edit it, and posting it as well probably be a couple more minutes. But that is literally how long it has taken me to actually do, because Tela TV is that good. By the way, you can check it out. I've got a full blog post and a video on that. I will leave all that information in the description, and you can have a look at that. You can go to run.link/Tela tutorial. So there's certain things I would not necessarily replace. The thumbnail I created using Canva, because I have a lot of templates that I'm using, and so it's actually a lot quicker for me to just do it on Canva versus doing it on Claude, for example. Although you could do thumbnails and all that with Claude as well. We'll leave that to a different tutorial. Links that might be interesting to you are going to be in the description. Really appreciate you watching, and I'll see you tomorrow in the next episode of this challenge, where I record one video per day for the next 60 days with some sort of value that I think we will enjoy. Thanks. I'll see you tomorrow. Cheers.